EarnApp versus Honeygain. Which one is better? So both of these apps are catered toward making a little money, right? So sidekicks for doing menial tasks. For EarnApp, it's getting money by testing apps and playing games, right? So if you play games, you complete the task and then you get money. You can see in some of the offers here, for example, some of the offers are like play a game called Grab a Toy, $4. And then there's one that's very big on the payout. So this one is called Magnet Miner. And it's paying out up to $278. So not a little money anymore, right? But there's one that's very little, like only zero point 0.0 cents, right? So 7 cents here, which is very little, right? And there's a lot here that you could do, right? And there's even cash out here, so you can grab your money. And there's also a referral program earlier, if you see it, right? A referral. So if you invite your friends and they sign up with your code, you get a little kickback from it as well, right? Now, what about Honeygain? Now, Honeygain is more on passive earning, right? So if in EarnApp, you actively have to do the task. So you have to actively play the game and whatnot. For Honeycane, you just set it up once, you download the app, let it run in the background, and that's it. Now you have $20 every month as a paycheck. Now, the way they do this is that they download your traffic data or monitor your traffic data, and then they sell these data to data analysts so they can better improve things like algorithms and things like that, right? Now, if you're not comfortable with sharing your internet data, you can obviously opt out and just go to EarnApp instead. But if you're like me and you don't really care, then this is definitely a good option, right? Because it's passive income. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.